Please check into room 207. It's not clean at all.
I'm sorry to hear that. What exactly is the issue?
The floor is sticky, the bedroom hasn't been cleaned properly, and there's strange smelling.
I understand your concern, but unfortunately, all our rooms are currently booked.
I see, but everything can stay in the room. It's not hygienic.
I understand. Let me check if housekeeping can clean the room again right away.
That would help, but I'm worried it won't solve everything. Is there anything else you can offer?
I'm afraid we can switch room, but I can offer a partial refund of a discount for tonight.
I appreciate the offer, but honestly, I do prefer a clean room discount.
I completely understand. I will ask housekeeping to prioritize the room now. It shall be done 30 minutes.
Alright, I will wait in the lobby. Please keep me updated.
Yes, of course. I will confirm you as soon as it's ready. Again, I apologize for the inconvenience.
Thank you. I hope it gets resolved soon.
If the cleaning doesn't meet your expectations, please let me know immediately.
Sure, I will check everything careful before moving it again.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Yeah.
Let's go.